Welcome. Hi guys. So basically, I want to share something with you today. It is the piece of crap that I made in 1 month that just is probably the worst engineering that I've ever seen. I'm not an engineer. I don't have any. I've never taken a class in electrical engineering. I barely passed high school. But yeah, I want to show you my piece of crap that I built. Because I think it's special. Like me. But yeah, so here it is. I'm going to show you. This right here is the receiver. Has your danky little spiral antenna, your LED display, your Arduino, and then you have your chip, and then the module, blah, 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 blah. You have the radio frequency module, the receiver, basically. This guy takes an input, the code, which is really inefficient. I shouldn't have coded it the way I did it, but I thought it was a cool idea because I thought I was built different, but I'm not. But we learn from our mistakes. And basically, to explain the code, are pins that come out of the RF module that go into a chip. And if one of those chip pins get triggered, it counts as either a 1 or a 0. And those pins are connected to the Arduino board, and the code just interprets it from there. Then you have a binary library that if there's 8 digits that are added up, blah, 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 like 100, 100, whatever, it basically prints out a letter. It's stupid slow. It's so stupid slow. And then over here, the transmitter, Arduino board, well, different type of Arduino board. You have the transmitter module. I said the receiver. Oh my gosh, I'm so confused. I thought I might have said that was the transmitter module. That's the receiver module. This is the transmitter module. Basically, same thing. There's a chip in here that splits up a clocking signal that is triggered by grounding. Not going to go into that. And then you have your dinky little pointy antenna that shoots the basically the radio frequency in a certain direction. So, but yeah, I want to show you guys how it works. So, also, oh my gosh, it's cooking. Here we go. Also, another thing, I don't know what I'm doing. I really don't. So please don't put expectations on me that I need to get everything correct. If you're an engineer, that's just gonna basically take a poop all over my work. Go for it. So, as you can see, you have my laptop, the code, the Arduino, the thingy things over here, this danky little copper antenna that I put together, and then you have this LED display, and then you have the other Arduino, and all this mess. Psychopathic looking mess right here. Basically, right now, if I type in a message and hit enter, you should see it display the message. Right now, we're just gonna send it, and it should click out space the and booyah. Nice. I realized in that shot, guys, that the screen is so blurry and it's so pixelated that you can't even see what is written on the LED display, so I apologize for that. That's totally on me. I should have thought this through, but I didn't. Yeah. And then also at the same time, I programmed in a clear button. So if you do a lower dash on the message in the serial monitor, it will just clear the entire screen. Also letting you know, like, it's so slow, as you can tell. It's stupid slow. It affects also like the speed, basically, like how fast it can actually process the data because of the code. It's super inefficient. I basically came up with the idea, and then ChatGPT told me, hey, do X, Y, and Z, and then I implemented everything. And I realized that it just wasn't the best way, but I still did it, and I wanted to share it. But I did it. But next time, I'm gonna learn from this mistake. Don't be me. Learn from your mistakes. But yeah. One more time. Whoop, whoop. Let's see if you can read this message. I don't know if you can read that. Can you read that, guys?